I gotta clean this up.
Yeah.
This is nasty. Welcome to Comment Cocktails. Dan, Ian, and myself
That's Ian.
are here. Yeah, I don't point it.
Yeah, I just saw fingers flying.
We're gonna make a cocktail. This is called the Kentucky chocolate.
Kentucky chocolate?
Kentucky chocolate.
All right.
This drink is designed by Jennifer. And I'm gonna explain the premise of this after I break the breakdown.
You picked the drink designed by Jennifer to represent. Okay, just checking.
Yeah.
Just represent
Seems
you?
like a conflict of interest. I don't know.
Yeah, because I like Scrappy's chocolate beers. Here's the recipe. 3 ounces of bourbon. So 3 ounces in one cocktail will be Elijah Craig. The other one is going to be Knob Creek 120. 3/4 of an ounce of rich Demerara syrup. We're using Labraco's Demerara gum syrup because that's what I got. 1/2 ounce of sour mix. We pre-made that. 1/2 ounce of Scrappy's chocolate bitters. A whole egg. And then you can garnish it with a lemon wheel if you want to.
1/2 ounce.
1/2 ounce of bitters. So you're going to need to take off the bitter dasher and get all jiggy with it.
Getting jiggy.
With it.
Getting jiggy.
So here's
my face.
Here's the deal. This is our March Madness cocktail competition. This is where drinks go head to head to find out which is the best cocktail. Jennifer, Dan, Ian, and Derek all had to select a cocktail, create a slight variation to it. Those variations will compete against each other in the first round. The second round, which was the semifinals and finals, we're going to record which was the best. So for the first 4 videos you see are going to be those variations fighting each other to see which one's better. That variation moves on to become the one that's going to fight against a different spirit. Mine will go up against, I don't know, somebody decided this ahead of time. What was the deal? No, they changed it. What do you got? You're going with gin, and we're going to do gin against tequila, right?
See.
Okay.
Oh, so, it's me and you?
So we're going to be in the first round. It's going to be whiskey versus rum.
You got that?
Oh, shit.
I'm getting that.
Whiskey versus rum.
It's like a trifold.
And they're all washed off
because take 2 out.
The lady at the store decided to put stuff on top of the eggs.
I thought they were really fresh.
I squirt them out. I was like,
where's the chicken?
Done that before.
Oh, shit.
So someone knows what they're doing.
They were still warm when you shoved them into the...
Oh.
So you...
I got most of it in there.
You left, there's like 2 ounces of egg white in my bar thing. What the?
I need a towel. I'll wipe my hands off.
We're going to need a lot more than a towel. We're going to need a fucking hose.
No,
It just smashed.
got ectoplasm in
I got
hairy buffalo there.
You're probably going to need to leave that for now because that's not going back in.
It's okay.
That'll be something we can clean up by just washing that out.
Yeah.
So make the rest of the drink though.
Are we dry shaking? No.
No, it's a whole egg cocktail.
No dry shake on the whole egg?
Whole egg.
Okay.
You know, I mean, you could dry shake it if you want to.
I was
dry
gonna,
shake it?
Yeah, I'm gonna dry shake it.
Yeah, dry shake it. I don't care. You already made all the rest of the ingredients outside of that?
Yep.
Steven donated.
I'm not gonna high five anybody.
All over the counter.
Yeah, but look, at least I'm not dehydrated. It's not cloudy.
That's the
That's the
clearest sperms I've ever seen. Dude, because you got
You
snipped.
go around seeing a lot of stuff.
Who doesn't watch porn?
If I could come on the bar like that from standing right here, that'd be awesome.
And then I would be like, why did you just come in my bar?
It's smoky.
You saw that, right?
Yeah.
Dan came on my bar.
Hit me up.
So, what else was... Oh yeah, our executive producer. I could probably wait, huh?
Probably.
You can.
You don't have to.
Oh, I made a camera shot for you too, so maybe people can see it. I forgot to flip it back around though. Here, you go.
Did we cut garnishes already?
Lemon wheel garnish. I don't know where the lemon went.
I'll find it.
Okay. You can cut
It's
it
over there.
Oh.
Ooh, this looks good.
Our executive producer is Jay for Real. He's got a YouTube channel, Jay for Real. I'll even do the slide that YouTube card for him. What?
Did you guys put something in something here that...
Well, there could be a shell in this one.
There's a floaty in there?
Yeah, you got floaties in there.
What are you talking about?
Bitters?
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, it's probably the bitter
yeah.
nibs. There's no head, even though you dry shook it, huh? Or is the whole thing a head? Is that the problem?
I think
So
so.
I guess maybe with the...
Yeah, I was going to say, maybe the...
seeds.
No seeds.
Do you want me to cut it? Do you want to... Are you...
Will we just dropping it on? Are we going for the side shot?
Get your throw it on the side, I guess. I don't know. I can't remember. It was a while ago. That's a sad. You might want to put it inside because that's pretty.
That is a sad looking.
Just throw it right.
It's a sad lemon.
So it didn't work either.
How long has this lemon been sitting around?
And we
I'm so gonna beat you. Fucking fail.
Yeah.
Mr. Egg, yours is probably not
Don't
foaming.
get
Ah,
egg
shit!
on this.
I can't believe you just did that. Why would you do that? Like, that's just not even a thing. Here. Before you, get a napkin.
Get a napkin.
You need a napkin!
That's a look.
Yeah.
Get a napkin and wipe your hands. Give me that.
What's that? That's not really selling me on that.
Yeah, that was.
No, it's
All right.
interesting.
Oh wait a minute, hold on. We gotta know which is which.
I don't know.
This is Elijah Craig, and this is the
No, great.
Knob Creek.
Is it really strong?
It has a weird airiness to it, but not bad. It's like it's very light in your mouth.
Well, you shook up an egg.
Yeah.
Yeah, you do.
That makes
Does
it
have
light.
a slight
Do you know what I mean?
scrambled egg type?
Maybe it's just the one I made. I don't know.
Hold on. It's like milky, but
No, it's exactly what I'm thinking about. Yeah, same thing.
That shouldn't taste the same. Which one's which? You
But
keep
the
moving
mouthfeel
around.
is very similar.
you can tell that's definitely Knob Creek. That's Knob Creek.
It is?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Wow.
And that's Elijah Craig. We probably should have garnished it differently. One up, one down.
I thought about that.
And then we would
But
have
then I
known.
didn't.
Yeah, you're right.
120 versus 94.
That knocks your head back a little bit.
Doesn't it have like a weird mouthfeel to it? Like you look at it, you know there's an egg in there. You know there's some gum
So
syrup.
you're deceptive.
You're like it's gonna be like a little
It
bit
feels a little chalky.
creamier and a little
Chalky?
bit like thicker on your mouth, but it's not a very thick mouthfeel.
Probably because it looks like cream.
Right.
It has like
Exactly.
The only problem is that other one lights your face up a little bit.
It's alright. Sometimes you need.
I think I actually might like that one better.
I usually like the higher proof one. Maybe it's just because I haven't had any. You've already been drinking.
Maybe the judges should try it.
Like I said, I was
Wait,
drinking
what are
wine,
we
though.
doing?
That doesn't count.
Are we judging our own drink to decide what variation
Yeah,
goes
you
forward,
can't
and then that makes more sense.
Yeah.
So the
that's
three of
easy.
us are judging the two.
Yeah, that makes
Which one
it.
we think
I think
goes
you got to
best.
judge your own drink
That makes
to
it
say which
easier.
one you want to do.
I'm gonna send the 94 proof through and see how that goes.
right.
Maybe the rest of the audience is gonna be a little too much alcohol, so maybe it's a little.
We
easier.
wouldn't know. We haven't gotten one yet.
So
We have no idea.
you want to see the mess he made?
You should get a camera shot of that just so you can Instagram it and say
You could find this recipe
Joker
already.
sperms,
It's on
a new game.
Joker
recipe.awesomedrinks.com.
sperm.
not a hot dog.
Hot dog or not hot dog? I know we do.
I don't want to judge that bracket.
That was
It
a
is,
Silicon Valley. Right?
Yeah.
yeah, we had we made a program at work that actually would do it.
Did you?
That's the drink I'm gonna go with. I'm gonna push this one to the next one. The next series of drinks is gonna be your drinks, which will be
My
rum.
drink.
And then
Sweet.
his winner will go up against this drink, and then we'll figure out which one moves on from there eventually.
Yeah.
Also, like and subscribe. That's, I mean, come on. It was some fucking chaos. This drink is a little harder
The next
to make,
one's gonna be
apparently.
better. Stay tuned.
Yeah.
Definitely. It's going to be mine.
Not a
Sidebar.
hot dog.
Sidebar for more cocktails down below. Awesome Drink Starter
This
Kit.
might have came from a hot
So
dog.
you can get. That's it. We're teaching you how to drink.